We've all been there. That burning sensation, the bloating, the uncomfortable fullness after a meal. Gastric problems are a common foe, affecting millions worldwide. They can strike anyone, regardless of age or lifestyle. But don't worry, you don't have to suffer in silence. This comprehensive guide explores 10 effective home remedies to combat gastric distress and reclaim your digestive comfort. These natural solutions, passed down through generations, offer gentle yet powerful ways to soothe your stomach and restore balance. Get ready to say goodbye to gastric woes and hello to a happier, healthier you. Before we delve into the remedies, let's briefly understand what we're dealing with. Gastric problems is an umbrella term encompassing various digestive discomforts. These include heartburn, indigestion, bloating, gas, and even constipation. These issues often stem from an imbalance in stomach acid, slow digestion, or lifestyle factors like stress and poor diet. Now that we have a basic understanding, let's explore the natural remedies that can provide relief. Ginger, a staple in many cuisines, is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. It's a natural digestive aid that can work wonders for various gastric issues. Ginger helps reduce nausea, eases bloating, and can even calm heartburn. You can consume it in various ways: chew on a small piece of raw ginger, brew a soothing ginger tea, or add it to your meals for a flavor boost with digestive benefits. Chamomile, with its delicate daisy-like flowers, has been cherished for centuries for its calming effects. Chamomile tea is a gentle yet effective remedy for various gastric discomforts. It helps soothe the stomach lining, reducing inflammation and alleviating symptoms like gas and indigestion. Sip on a warm cup of chamomile tea after meals to promote relaxation and aid digestion. Section 5, Home Remedy 3, Apple Cider Vinegar, a gastric warrior. Apple cider vinegar, a pantry staple in many households, is more than just a culinary ingredient. It has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties and health benefits. It can be a powerful ally in your fight against gastric problems. Many people swear by its ability to soothe an upset stomach and alleviate discomfort. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar is believed to help regulate stomach acid production, aiding digestion and reducing symptoms like heartburn and indigestion. This natural acid can balance the pH levels in your stomach, making it less hospitable for harmful bacteria. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink it before meals for optimal benefits. This simple mixture can help prepare your digestive system for the food you're about to eat, ensuring smoother digestion. This image emphasizes the simplicity of using apple cider vinegar as a home remedy, making it seem accessible to everyone. Whether you're at home or on the go, incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine can be a straightforward and effective way to support your digestive health. Beyond its digestive benefits, apple cider vinegar is also known for its potential to boost overall wellness. It can help with weight management, improve skin health, and even support a healthy immune system. So next time you reach for that bottle of apple cider vinegar, remember, it's not just for salads, it's a versatile remedy for a healthier you. Section 6, Home Remedy 4, Embrace the Heat, the Power of Peppermint. Peppermint, with its refreshing aroma and cooling sensation, is a popular choice for soothing an upset stomach. This versatile herb has been used for centuries in various cultures for its medicinal properties. The menthol in peppermint provides a cooling effect that can help alleviate discomfort and promote relaxation. Peppermint oil, in particular, has been found to have antispasmodic properties, which help relax the muscles of the digestive tract. This means it can be especially effective in easing cramps and spasms, making it a go-to remedy for digestive issues. This can be particularly helpful in relieving symptoms like gas, bloating, and irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. Many people who suffer from these conditions find that incorporating peppermint into their routine can provide significant relief. Enjoy peppermint in various ways. Sip on peppermint tea, chew on peppermint leaves, or even incorporate it into your cooking. Peppermint tea is not only soothing but also easy to prepare. Simply steep fresh or dried peppermint leaves in hot water for a few minutes, and you have a comforting beverage ready to enjoy. Or add a drop or two of peppermint oil to a diffuser. The aromatic steam can help clear your sinuses and create a calming atmosphere. Peppermint oil can also be diluted with a carrier oil and applied topically to relieve muscle pain and tension. This image highlights the natural source of peppermint oil and its refreshing qualities, making it an appealing remedy. Whether you choose to drink it, inhale it, or apply it, peppermint offers a natural and effective way to embrace the heat and find relief from various ailments. So next time you're feeling discomfort, reach for peppermint and experience its powerful benefits. Section 7, Home Remedy 5, the simple solution of baking soda. Baking soda, a common household ingredient, is a readily available remedy for heartburn and indigestion. Its alkaline nature helps neutralize excess stomach acid, providing quick relief from that uncomfortable burning sensation. Dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it slowly for fast-acting relief. However, it's essential to use baking soda sparingly, as excessive consumption can have adverse effects. This image visually demonstrates the straightforward preparation process of using baking soda as an antacid. Section 8, Home Remedy 6. Staying hydrated for digestive harmony. Water is the elixir of life, crucial for overall health, including digestive well-being. Staying adequately hydrated is vital for maintaining optimal digestive function. Water helps soften stool, preventing constipation, and aids in nutrient absorption. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day, especially between meals. This image reinforces the importance of staying hydrated for overall well-being, including digestive health. Section 9, Home Remedy 7, Choosing Wisely. Foods to eat and avoid. In this section, we will delve into the importance of making informed food choices to maintain optimal digestive health. The food we consume plays a significant role in our digestive health. A balanced diet not only nourishes our body, but also ensures that our digestive system functions smoothly. Certain foods can aggravate gastric problems, while others can soothe and promote digestion. For instance, foods high in fiber can help in maintaining regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Incorporate fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your daily diet. These foods are not only nutritious but also help in regulating bowel movements. Whole grains such as oats, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are excellent choices. They provide essential nutrients and keep your digestive system in check. On the other hand, limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and snacks. These items are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and preservatives that can disrupt your digestive health. Additionally, spicy foods can irritate the stomach lining and worsen symptoms of indigestion or acid reflux. It's best to consume them in moderation. This image visually depicts the types of foods that promote digestive health, encouraging readers to make healthier choices. By being mindful of what we eat, we can significantly improve our overall well-being and digestive health. Section 10, Home Remedy 8. The importance of regular exercise. Regular physical activity benefits not only our physical health but also our digestive system. Exercise helps stimulate bowel movements, preventing constipation, and aids in maintaining a healthy weight, which can reduce the risk of developing gastric problems. Engage in at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week for optimal digestive health. This image promotes the idea that exercise can be enjoyable and beneficial for both physical and digestive health. Section 11, Home Remedy 9, Managing Stress for a Happier Stomach. Stress is an inevitable part of life, but it can take a toll on our digestive system. When we're stressed, our bodies go into fight or flight mode, diverting blood flow away from the digestive system. This can lead to indigestion, bloating, and other gastric discomforts. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. This image conveys the calming and stress-reducing effects of meditation, promoting it as a way to improve digestive health. Section 12, Home Remedy 10. Listen to your body seeking professional help. While home remedies can be highly effective in managing gastric problems, it's essential to remember that they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If your symptoms persist or worsen despite trying these remedies, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions. Remember, listening to your body and seeking timely medical attention is essential for your overall well-being.